So here I am at 82 Ocean View Road in Jonesboro. I'm gonna do a little virtual tour. And where I am now, I'm looking back at the road. I'm gonna head down the driveway. As you can see, it's house sits off of the road a ways, so it's very private. Paved driveway. Starts to open up a little bit in here. The driveway does go around the house 360 degrees. Very, very nice. So there's no a lot of backing up, and it's the garage doors, power door openers, as far as, and a swinging door to get through. There's the ocean. Open space over here, this side of the driveway. And again, looking back to where it just came from. House is in immaculate condition. There's a storage shed for the lawnmowers, garden tools. There's your pole with a meter on it, so the power runs underground to the house. There's your well. Back side of the house. Another entrance. This is the entrance that they use most. Goes into the kitchen dining area. Convenient for unloading groceries. And as you can see, the driveway continues and ends up back where I started. Raised beds down there, which I'll get to later. Really nice screened in porch. Composite decking and railings. New roof last year. Now we're going in. Coming into the kitchen first. Corian countertops. Tile floors, plenty of cabinet space. Dining area with hardwood floors. See the cathedral ceilings, lots of nice bright windows. Built-in entertainment center in the corner over there. Gas range. All these appliances are brand new within the last year. Over here you have a little desk area. Internet. Your laundry's here off of the kitchen. The other entrance that we walk by outside. And this hallway, it's a very open floor plan. Off to the left, we have bathroom. Double vanities. Shower. And the toilet behind the door. Got double closets in this hallway. Hallway goes back to the living room and dining area. This is the first floor bedroom. These floors look like wood, but they're tile actually. That looks like wood. Very nice, high quality. his and her closets. We go down this hallway. Get nice, beautiful hardwood floors. Back into the living room area. Staircase upstairs. We have a propane stove. Goes out to the screened-in porch. We go up the stairs. The stairs are carpeted. Into a little loft area. You can put some chairs for a sitting area. With a pretty spectacular view of the water and the gardens out front. Down the hall, straight into a second bathroom. Single vanity. Shower and bathtub. And 2 bedrooms up here on this floor. Pretty good sized bedrooms. Closet in the corner. And this is almost a mirror image of that room. On the opposite side, it's a little bit bigger, I think. Closet. And it's all nice new Berber carpet up here on this floor. So I did the alarm system. Just one more breeze through this way. Walk around again. Let's go down to the basement. Yeah, that's me. 2-car garage. Painted floors. Storage out behind the 2 bays. Plenty of storage. Plenty of lighting. Utility room. Everything's nice and neat. You got a water filtration system. 2 of them actually. Got a radon air mitigation system. You can see over there. So that's all been taken care of. There's the 200 amp service with the generator service. Does have a backup generator, automatic. Now we're gonna walk down around the outside, show you the gardens. Beautiful fenced in raised bed garden area. They had all kinds of different vegetables in there last season.
We built a nice little irrigation type thing to so the water runs downhill and into the ocean. This garden area is really kind of neat. Just to look back at the house from this angle. Just gonna zoom in. Path continues down here to the water. These sellers used to put their kayaks in down here every day, paddle around. Very convenient and easy to do. Got some steps down to the water. And low tide right now, as you can see where the water comes up to, or it's high tide. I'll do a nice slow scan of this beautiful view. Nice little quiet bay over here to the left. I was told that straight across that we're looking at right there is Rogue's Bluff. And the shoreline again. That little path. And there you have it, folks. 82 Ocean View in Jonesboro.